Dear students, hope all of you are doing well. Please follow my instruction, whatever I am saying now. Today, concept of multimedia is topic of chapter 5 from your book. Int- uh, I MD Sifat Rahman, lecturer, Department of ICT, Milestone College. Okay, let's start our class. After completing this class, we will able to explain the concept of multimedia, describe the method of multimedia, identify the field of using multimedia, explain the idea of presentation software, describe the technique of using presentation software. Multimedia. Human beings have been using different media of express themselves since the ancient time. Writing is an expressive medium. So are the sound and image. Multimedia is the integration of multiple forms of expressive media, such as text, graphics, drawing, photographs, videos, etc. Mediums of multimedia. We know that computers, the most popular digital device, is widely known as the calculating machine. Processing and transferring data was another important work of computer. Multimedia promised dynamic experience than that of the previous time. Multimedia is used not only in computer but also in mobile phone, smartphone, tablet. This is and the other digital device. The main mediums of multimedia. There is a well wide preferences for computers and they tend to replace the conventional machine text. Any work is relation to written text is worldwide done on computers. At present, computers are used for all kinds of writing tasks in offices to professional printing houses. Graphics. Computers are used for graphics, design, editing, and so on. In our country, the use of computer is very limited in graphics design, painting, drawing, and even in commercial graphics included in fine arts. Video. Video is a kind of graphics. It is better to call it a moving graphics. Video is an established medium all over the world. Video has been extensively used in TV, home video, multimedia software, web, etc. Animation. Animation is a kind of graphics, but it can be either moving or static. It can be either 2D or 3D. The use of animation gradually increasing in our country. sound or audio. The whole world depends on computer for sound or audio recordings, editings, etc. Use of multimedia in ICT as teaching aid. The use of multimedia as a teaching aid is widely used. The learners will understand a topic easily if multimedia is used in the classroom. The teacher can easily make the lesson effective and interactive. Multimedia software. The multimedia software has just started being made in Bangladesh. Multimedia technology has been used in with Bangladesh 71, অবসর, বিশ্বকোষ, নামাজ শিক্ষা, বিজয় শিশু শিক্ষা, etc. and so on. Digital publication. Our population is still paper based, but 21st century will definitely be the century of digital publication. Entertainment. Multimedia is widely used in most of the genres of entertainment. Advertisement. Because of the use of multimedia, advertisements have become attractive. Both real and functional elements can be shown in advertisement with the help multimedia. Games. Multimedia is extensively used in computer games or video games. Because of the multimedia, the games seem as real as live. Presentation software. It is the age of exchanging information and ensuring human welfare through free flow the information. Now, the exchanging of information among the researchers, educationists, social workers, arts professionals of national and international levels has been emphasized most. PowerPoint is a piece of popular software application in the Microsoft Office. Another is the Picasa and Impress, so on. Opening PowerPoint program. At first, click Microsoft Office menu and Microsoft PowerPoint. Slide will be shown on the screen in the main part of the slide. Click to add title and click to add subtitle are written on the box. Click both writings and text box will shown with the insertion pointer. This is the insertion pointer. Type title and subtitle you may write as you wish. If you click outside the box, these without writing anything, these two writings will be viewed again. Click to add subtitle and click to add title. Click the text box border and delete button. After selecting the text box, the writing will be deleted. That means click the outside text box border and press delete button. Select the text box writing related. Select text box icon from the ribbon home menu from insertion pointer. Now the keyboard will be transforming Bangla for typing in Bangla, and I write Amar Desh is typed in title. Amar Desh. This the should text font. Selecting the type text font from the home menu is the Shutoni MJ. Choose the lots of font available here, and always I shall select the Shutoni MJ. And the font size, and again select the font size 150. Choose the font size here, almost a maximum 96, but my demand is required is I want 150. 150. 150. 150. Enter. Text size is too much long, so I shall resize my text area for this text, and my confirm my text is Shutoni MJ. My font is Shutoni MJ. Now show the Shutoni MJ font and size is 150. You may adjust anything, any other else in this text size. Amar Desh. Okay. The text box will remain selecting after being typed. Contain the text, and now saving the presentation. Give save command from the file menu and save as dialog box. Save as dialog box appear will come. Type the name of the save as, choose PowerPoint presentation. The dialog box appear, and now I write the, suppose the name is my country. My country. Click the button OK on the dialog box. Adding new slide. From the home menu, click new slide. Click to the new slide. Add a slide. New slide. Another thing, new slide. Again, I show this task. Click on here, mouse right pointer, and new slide appear, or you will get a new slide. Again, you put on the command from keyboard Control plus M, appear a new slide. So now we know the 3-way take a new slide. Okay. New slide, type the title in Bangla again. 21 থেকে 71 text box following the process Now I write 21 থেকে 71, 21 থেকে 71. Okay, no need or in the now not deleted this subtitle, it's needed in this slide. And here we typed another thing. Suppose in 1952, 1952 সালের 21 ফেব্রুয়ারি ভাষা আন্দোলন and another writing is 1971 সালের 16 ডিসেম্বর আমাদের বিজয় দিবস। The boxes will be placed one after another from top to bottom, one after another. Okay. Then another slide will be added to following this process of the adding. The second one, the add will be the third slide. It add this slide. Type. Now this subtitle box no need, delete. Only need the title box. Now type ধন্যবাদ, ধন্যবাদ। By adding numerous slide, complete the work of presentation as required. And now again save this presentation. Display slide in presentation, making 3 slide. Check it whether it has been workable as well as presentable for having job done. Now press the button F5 from the keyboard. Slideshow. The first slide of the presentation will be displayed. For viewing the next slide of the presentation, press the right arrow of the keyboard and go back, press the left arrow. For press escape button to revert the window of editing form of window of slideshow. Now for starting the next slide, show from the middle of this presentation. It means it may start from slide 2. Press shift F5 or slide started from slide number 2 or presentation will display it. And from the keyboard, press the right arrow, ধন্যবাদ, press the লেফট অ্যারো 21 থেকে 71, press press escape to revert window of editing of the window of slideshow. You can be sure whether the slide are presentable or not by watching at any phase of preparing the slides. And changing the background slides. The color of background can be changed either during the processing or after the making of the slide. Any image can be used in background of the slide. Okay, adding or changing background to the slide. Keep the slide open and active to add background to it. The first slide of the current presentation is kept on. If you click drop down bar of the background style from the design menu, that means go to design menu and click on background style and choose the format background. Select format background at the bottom and dialog box or the name will come to the screen. Clicking solid fill radio button on the left above the format background dialog box. Make it active. Click the color drop down arrow in this here, and now color palette will be viewed on the screen. The color swatch which will be clicked from this palette, and I choose this color from this here. Clicking radio button of now display the background is current color. Clicking radio button of picture or texture field. Radio button of picture or texture field, this click. Okay. It activate the texture drop down will be viewed instead of color. Here show the texture. Texture swatch different kinds. Can click the drop down arrow. Click on the drop down arrow. Lots of textures available here. And the texture swatch which will be clicked, it should be selected from the original slide. Now I choose this texture for this. Okay. Now another thing, this is the dialog box called insert picture. Insert picture. So click to if file button below insert box clicked as radio. Select picture, opening the folder of the dialog box that contains the picture. Now select the picture, click the insert button. A picture appear. To remove the imposed background. So now remove the close the appear, remove the imposed background, click the solid field again, click the format background, and now click to solid field and color, click the down arrow on the color swatch and choose the white color. Apply to all. Click the select white from this color palette. Click close button to the dialog box. Sometimes it may require to insert picture on the slide. To insert picture into slide, how to insert? Now click the icon of picture of the insert menu. Ribbon of the insert menu. Click on the icon of the picture, and now a picture is the Adobe Photoshop picture. When the folder dialog box insert picture, click to insert button. The selected picture are added to the slide. Clicking the resize, that here large size, small size, and drag anywhere, any position, any place if required. Inserting this is the I placed this image is the right corner of this slide. Okay. Now inserting transition into slide. Usually slides are presented one after another. The effects are used to shift from one slide to another. This effect is called transition. It works on the slide into which transition is applied by keeping it open. Keep the first slide open, click the animation menu, choose the animation menu, and lots of transition available here, and on the ribbon animation menu at the sample on switch mouse pointer moving any of the. If you want to apply the same transition to all slides, click apply to all. So in this lots of transition, I think I choose this transition and lot more. I choose this transition, and you may also transition is speed control in here drop down menu fast, slow, medium, fast. I choice this slow, and again I check this is the slowly this transition, and I if you want to apply the same transition to all the slides, click apply to all button right side after applying to the first slide. If you want to apply different transition every slide, you have to apply it separately following same process for every slide. Applying transition separately in text. Now on one slide may contain several text box. In this text box, the two lines available, or second slide, keep the second slide open, select the text box, click the animation menu to activate, select the text box text and click the animation menu, click a command called the custom animation will be added to the bottom of the animation. Click like this is this one, custom animation. Click custom animation and palette will come. Custom animation palette, a palette will come. Combine the animation, select the entrance of from, select the add effect, click on entrance from first slide is the choice as blinds, and the second text selected for the second line, select and add effect from the select, choose the entrance and choose the effect is fly in. If you select more effect from the list, another list will be transition will be viewed. Selection of any transition from list will show the same effect is there list of the effect. In order to remove the transition a specific text box such that you may order moving transition. Okay. In order to remove transition from a specific text box, select it, click the remove button to the exclude transition. Suppose that in here I add another animation emphasis and choose the brush on color. Again revert this entrance and blinds. both color. Now, and this transition, in order to remove the transition from a specific text box, now I remove this transition. No need. So click on the remove button. The transition, and only transition available on this text, not only this text. How to now play and preview? This is the only second line of this text, effect of the transition. Opening PowerPoint program or creating slide. If you appear the click to add title and subtitle, and this is, and we are writing English and Bangla and display slides in presentation. Press button F5 from the keyboard or select slideshow of the ribbon on view menu, or click icon slideshow on the status bar. The first slide of the presentation to be will be displayed. Or for starting the next slide show from the middle of the presentation, which button press? Pressed Shift plus F5 button. Okay, this is the or transition into slide menu. Lots of transition available there, and any choose as you require this transition. Inserting transition into slide, inserting transition into the text, anything else. And now the portion of the exercise. Questions for important for your upcoming and examination. So I would like to request everyone, take your notebook, write this question appropriately and learn this question. Okay, let's see. These questions are questions. What is the prior invention of today's multimedia? The answer is cinema. Second one, the effect in slide is called the answer is animation. Third, which key of the keyboard is to press to display in PowerPoint presentation? The answer is F5. Number 4. Which key of the keyboard is to starting the next slide show from the middle of the presentation? Answer is Shift F5. Slides are presented one after another and effects are used to shift from one slide to another. This effect is called transition. And next, then question number 6. Animation is kind of graphics. The answer is graphics. Question number 7. Which one is never used as a single media? The answer is animation. Number 8. In which tab there are header and footer group? The answer is insert. Number 9. For adding new slide, which button should be clicked? The answer is Control plus M. CTRL show on the keyboard. CTRL means control. And number 10, question number 10, what is a popular, powerful presentation software? The answer is PowerPoint. Question and answer this session. If you have any question, just ask your subject teacher. He will answer to you. Uh, Another thing, you may ask any question regarding this topic. I will answer you. Thanks to all attend to this session. Allah Hafiz.